except this part you have to unwrap it again because it's stretching too much. Will face some issue while texturing, and for this also some issue I can see. So relax this part, that will be enough. Okay. Remaining this part, and this part also is looking good. I told you to change this part a little bit, make it circular. Also, this is too big model wise. You have to decrease that, put the X form, convert to editable poly, and you can unwrap it again. Like just concentrate on this part and relax this part. Remaining all is looking fine. Okay, nice attempt. Madan, Madan, checker wise, it's okay, but still, this is not the way to put loop. Okay, here you have did well, but you have missed this part, I guess. Yes, this part looks okay. Just relax the model and just do the unwrapping for this cylinder again. Remaining all is looking fine. No major issues. Nice attempt, madam. Loading same model again. Okay, I'm not gonna validate this one. Any difference between this and that? Again, same model. The changes I have mentioned like before also, so do the same thing. So send me one more image. No,
Sir,
okay.
I have sent the match files.
Okay, I saw that. It's okay. Now, Nikhil, convert this to editable poly and all your history will be cleared. Now you can see nothing in here. Now put the UVW unwrap. Let's see how it looks. Nikhil, right? Yes. Nikhil, it's looking fine. You have unwrapped it properly. You just do one final thing for this. Just select UVs one by one and relax. Like I'll show you for one part. I will take this as an. I think you have copied it, right? Two, you have kept two cylinders, I guess. Fine. Now try to relax it from here. Still the same problem. Now I will try exforming it. Okay, so just exform the complete model and relax it. Then it will look really good. I will try that here. Let's see if it is working. Okay, now see, every checker has been square square right now. Before it was looking like a triangle and a rectangle. Sorry. So nice work, Nikhil.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Now Mohan Kumar. What happened to your board? It came here. Some problem I can see here. Why is it sticking to each other? Okay. What was your name? Okay, Mohan. Uh, just make it close. Now it's floating actually. Okay. This looks floating, this ring. Just decrease the size and make it touch here and from here to here. Like and decrease the radius. That will do the work. And the unwrapping in some part you have missed a relaxing part, so it's looking very stretchy. Okay, this part is not looking that great. This part is not good. You have to unwrap it again. Same here also. Just put one edge loop here, and here also put one edge here. Same here, and you can peel it again. Try relaxing it. That will work. Okay, for this part also. This part looks fine. Okay, so just do the correction for here and here, and just compare like why those UVs are getting stick to each other. Sorry. Now we'll go Mithun. In voice, it's looking fine. I'm just scaling this UV just because I wanted the checker pattern to be a little so I can validate properly. Okay. So after, if you, any guys are doing that, just keep your UV like the same place as before. Now, Mithun, this part is not good. Also, for the this part also, you have to unwrap it again. Here also, I'm seeing some problem here also. This looks okay. This part looks okay. Just relax this part. That will be enough. And for this one also, just relax. Yes, you have to relax this part. This looks okay. And here you have made some problem here also. for the same here, and here you have to unwrap it again. Okay, so nice attempt. Just work on the changes. Now, Rajesh, Shuk is good, and this part also. Is it the same model which I have validated right now? It looks like that. This is the previous model I have validated, and this is which I'm validating now, which is some others work, but both of them looking same to same. Okay, so I don't have any like an external comment for that. So do the same changes. I'm not gonna validate that again. Now Nandan, Nandan, this part looks fine, and this part also looks good. But remaining parts you have to unwrap it again. This part also is fine, I'll say, but I can see some stretches here that will make problem while you're texturing that. Also, the loops you have are pretty confused, I guess. Just don't do the loops here, like all the side. Just put one loop. Just for this part, select this part, UVW mapping clear, I have cleared. Now I put Xform. Now convert to editable poly. All my history has been cleared. Now X UW unwrap UVW. Now for the seam part, just select this and this, okay, or this or this. Don't select it like this, and this. Okay, that's why it became like that. Just select this part and this part, add the loop, just do one more cut here and here also. Go down, convert the seam edge to seams. Now select this part, quick peel. Now see, it has been properly unwrapped. Now try turning your checker pattern on, it will be perfect. See, all the sides have been like it properly packed. So do it like that, Nandan. Okay, one more time. Let's check this one. Okay, so you have to do this part, and I mean this part is looking good. Remaining part you have to work on that. Just add the loops like that only, like I have shown you right now. It's nice attempt. Okay, just follow the same thing. Whatever you did here, follow also when it comes to box. Okay, like that.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Now, Kiran, what is this text file? Kiran, this is not a max file. This is a text document. Now,
I will
Prasad,
send it again, sir.
sorry?
I will send it again, sir.
Okay, okay. Try send it again. Nikhil, I got another one. Now, Prasad, right? Yeah. Group wise, let's see. Like most of the students have created the loops, the loops properly, but when it comes to chakra pattern, it's gone like that case. Okay. So same here also. This part looks fine, I'll say, but this part you have to work again. Sorry. Now this part is looking fine. Also, this part also, but you have to relax. Okay. And this part is also fine. No, leave this part. This entire part you have to do again. This as well. Okay, because these two sides are looking very bad. Now relax this part. Okay, just follow the same thing and do the correction. Nikhil Shetty, what Nikhil, the chakra looks okay. Now loops have managed it. Now the same thing, just fix here as well because it is too much chamfered. Part you have to you can do that because according to this shape, it will be very easy. What I'll suggest is put one more loop here. Okay. Now clear map, editable poly if you want to add Xform. Now convert this to editable poly. Just add clear map and Xform. Now grab the model. Okay. I've selected this one only when it comes small object like this. Like now this is very thin object, so you can just add one loop. Now loop it, convert this to scene, like the model, fill, done. Now turn on the checker pattern. I can see how it has been fixed, but not properly, or else you can two more scene here, like one here, like the same thing. Okay, so then it will get fixed. So follow the same thing. Remaining is okay, okay. I think that's it. Anybody sending me any other, like any more? So I think that's it for today then, the review session. Okay. So anybody's having any doubt in the unwrap part? Anybody is having any doubt? Someone please respond, no?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Nandan. Okay, so that's that's all for today about the review. The unwrapping part. Just you have to be careful about the loops. Just add the loops properly, and you can unwrap it like very nicely. I think most of the guys have done it very well. Like most of them a little bit confused. So those who have did it very well, they can just help your friends for the unwrapping part. Okay, so we'll connect again at 11 for our texturing session. Okay. Okay, that's all for the review today by 11. Yeah. Thank you all.
Thanks.